Okay, so let's establish a baseline for our environment. We're going to need Git, Visual Studio, and Vcpkg, and we'll get our libraries, C++ libraries from Vcpkg. I'll walk you through that process. Open up a command prompt and clone the library anywhere. I have it in root at C, but the location doesn't matter. It can be anywhere. That command fails for me because I already have it, but once you get it, cd into it and run the bootstrap file. The next command, vcpkg integrate install, lets Visual Studio know where it can find the vcpkg libraries. And finally, we can get our libraries now. We're going to need Boost, ZeroMQ with sodium, that's important for encryption, Protobuf, ZMQ, nlom on JSON, and Bond. I'll have this command linked in the description below. You can just copy and paste it. I'd recommend getting both x86 and x64 versions. Sometimes, depending on what you're working on in Visual Studio, it can be confusing if you can't find the right library. So I'd recommend getting both. And this command will take a while. So grab a Red Bull or a coffee, and once that's done, we can rock and roll.